My name is Greg Friedrich, and I've been building cars my whole life. I have a shop called Gizmos. Our cars are hand-built. Our race cars win car shows, and our show cars win races. Our cars are as beautiful as they are functional. I had a client that was a good friend, and we shared the same passion and dreams. We had a partnership on a land speed car. Our goal was to do 200 miles per hour. We got close, but then it all came to an end. It felt like unfinished business. I still wanted to do it. Sometimes, you just have to start over. It's not a big umbrella, it's just like, yeah. Well, you gotta hold it for him, not me.
I know.
Car's coming out. You're going in.
All right.
Oh, we need Brian.
Tonight, otherwise I may.
All right, are you in?
I'm in.
All right, I don't really have a plan here. Is the battery hooked up? Yeah. See if it'll start. Push the clutch in. Yeah, pump the shit out of it. Like a bunch. No, it's fine. Like a bunch, like 40 times. Go ahead and turn it over. Keep pumping it. It likes gas. Oh, he's gonna go.
I've got front bumper to do.
Oh, that's good. Make sure you...
What kind of car is it?
1960 Plymouth Wagon.
Where'd you get it?
I got it from California, and it's a pretty long story. We'll do that another day.
Just want to make sure that he gets me doing my hours on the camera.
All right, so that's a much better shot.
You ready to go for a ride?
Yeah, let's do this thing.
Pump it. This thing's leaked tranny fluid for, I don't know, the past 10 years that I've owned it. I'm not really sure if there's any tranny fluid left in it. That's full throttle right there.
So what are we doing?
Going to Dairy Queen one last time. On Scott's garage after we get our dilly bars.
I'm just hanging my nuts out, and everyone's like, "No, what are you doing?"
Ben, are you up for that or?
I don't know him, so I think I should do it.
Okay, I'm fine with that. Get a 6er of dilly bars.
6-pack of dilly bars?
Yep.
Okay, what flavor?
What flavor?
Mixed bag. It's got usable footage.
Ben, I'm serious. In order for you to get your dilly bar, you got to moon Scott's garage. You down?
Come on, Greg. I think like a pork pie hat and a Hawaiian shirt would be a good look on you.
Think so?
Two.
There's one.
Thanks, dude.
Yeah, how would I say?
Oh, he did it backward.
I don't know. work, man. You gotta do it. My paint's better.
Brennan, it's all you.
Go, go, go! Get out of here! Get out of here!
You earned it, brother.
Yeah.
Good job, Brennan.
Yeah, you wanted the blunders done.
Just think, next time we pull in a DQ with this car, Dairy Queen's gonna themselves.